everyone, welcome back to the channel. We just checked in at Hong Kong Disneyland's Hollywood Hotel and we are so excited to take you along with us. Before we head out for all the Disney magic, let us show you our room tour because trust me, this place is giving major Hollywood vibe. If you're enjoying our Hong Kong series, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap on the notification bell so you won't miss the rest of our Hong Kong Disneyland adventures. Hi guys! Welcome back to another vlog! After playing at the Malibu Games, we finally decided to check into our room and wow, it was totally different from the last time we stayed here. I absolutely love the Marvel theme room we chose for our son. It was fun, immersive, and perfect for him. Let's take a closer look at the Marvel Standard Room here at Disney's Hollywood Hotel. This room was recently updated with Art Deco furnishings but with plenty of Marvel-themed touches. You'll notice murals of Avengers Tower and character silhouettes that really bring out that superhero vibe. Even the spotlights have Marvel logos, giving the room a fun, cinematic feel. Most rooms fit up to 4 guests comfortably with the standard setup of 2 double beds. Bathrooms have a tub plus shower combination and toiletries are provided in bulk to reduce plastic. If you need a full set, it's available for purchase. The room keeps that retro Hollywood vibe with Art Deco details, film reels, and movie motifs throughout. Theme rooms like Marvel or Mickey and Friends make the stay extra fun for Disney fans. The layout is functional and family-friendly with good storage, a water dispenser, and enough space for a small family. The recent renovations make the rooms feel fresh and modern while still keeping that classic Disney charm. Overall, the Marvel theme room is a perfect mix of Disney magic and family comfort, and it was such a hit for our little superhero fan.
Oh, ayun. Wow.
Wait, who's
Captain
ours?
America.
Tapos ang ganda, may
It's
black
Captain
pa.
America.
Ours is
Oh.
Captain America.
Yes, ours is Captain America.
So, let mommy go first ulit.
Yeah, me first, okay?
Go.
Ay, open muna all of the lights. Para maganda
There,
ang tingnan. Oh, it's here na. The bags are here. Wait. Ang liit. Water dispenser. Ref. The view. Ay, wow. What's up? Salamat. Yeah.
Ooh, Star
Dibs.
Power.
Dibs, anxiety bed.
Ganda? Ah? Picture. 1, 2. Hey, picture.
First visitors.
Picture muna tayo.
Night light on. Night light off.
Look at the seat. It's a movie reel.
Master light.
There, the seat. It's a movie reel.
Ano mo yun? Ah, ito.
Ano yan? Oh yeah, it's a movie room. Camera room.
Walang door. Kasi hindi siya connecting.
It's a spotlight.
See, walang door. Hindi pool
I think
view.
that's the ano,
Yung ano,
Explorer's
Explorer's Lodge nga. Yung kapitbahay.
The side.
Let's go na.
Oh, ano yan? Ba't may spotlight? Lights, lemon,
Let's-
water. Oh, drink na.
Picture!
Sili kita ka. What is doon?
Game. 1, 2, 3. Diyan ka na lang.
Agad. Parang ayoko nang walis.
Ano to?
Dito ako sa carpet.
Stationary.
Hey, akin yan. Please. Akin na rin yan.
Uy, mami. Mami.
Ano ka na?
Mami.
Go na.
Mami.
Para makapag-swimming.
Mami.
Oo.
I'm thinking, kasi before I left,
Yung
Miss
pala, gift
Isa,
shop.
diba, let me
Ayan na.
not take the test.
Oh.
She asked for a Zoom.
Yeah.
I don't know if she was
Eh, bigay mo na lang yan.
Sige na, I'll get another now. If I'm not here, you know where to find me. In the claw machine.
Malibu or the stores.
Yan na.
Whether. Whether.
As much as we'd love to just stay in this room and soak it all in, we've got lots of plans for today, so we had to head out again. But all that fun and adventure will be in the next vlog, so make sure you don't miss it. If you enjoyed this peek into our stay at Disney's Hollywood Hotel, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to see our Disneyland adventures. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next vlog.